Did you know that when you're traveling abroad, you can make and receive international calls without roaming or even a SIM card? Yes, even if your phone has no physical SIM slot. It's not magic. It's a feature your phone likely already has: Wi-Fi calling. As long as you're connected to the internet, you can use your regular phone number to make calls and receive texts. No roaming, no extra charges, and no SIM card needed. So how can you stay connected at all times and make sure you never miss an important call? That's where RedteaGO eSIM comes in. Just remember this simple 3-step travel checklist. 1. Enable Wi-Fi calling on your phone. 2. Purchase and activate a RedteaGO eSIM. 3. Manually select a carrier that is not supported by your primary number's operator. And your primary number will enter a no-service state, retaining only Wi-Fi calling capability. Whether you're talking to family, handling work calls, or confirming hotel bookings, you'll stay connected like you're back home with zero roaming fees. Traveling overseas? Stay worry-free and always connected with RedteaGO eSIM plus Wi-Fi calling. It's simple, seamless, and saves you money.